Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Luna Classic Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets as we hold the support lines that we talked about yesterday. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Now accepting crypto payments. You can find the link in the description box and in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with the targets of Luna Classic. So eventually what LUNC is going to do right now, it is having the support level that we talked about yesterday, 0.3014997. Now, what is the case with Luna Classic? Do we have anything bearish? Yes, we have, of course, the continuous bearish RSI divergences that we are having on the 4-hour frame. Do not think that everything can keep going up forever. Of course, Luna Classic is having some nice pumps and it is leading the way into the altcoins that are outperforming Bitcoin. However, the case right now is that we are into maybe a very historical day about Luna Classic. I will be removing the drawings and I will go back drawing the fib from the top to the bottom right here, and you can see that in the log scale we should be going and achieving this target right there, the 0.30114. Okay, we also have a problem though. We have a possible double top pattern, and here is what I want to say. Double tops can always occur, right? You can see that we are having right here the previous top sitting back on 13 June and now this top. We are having a huge risk in the daily frame with the RSI, so I want you to be extremely careful, especially if today we are forming a red candlestick. If we form a red candlestick, I want you to be extremely careful. Anyway, for the time being, 0.30114 is a very achievable target for Luna Classic before we go down. So I would say today is one of the most important days. I'm going to show you some nice technical analysis and price targets after, if we can manage to close above this line right here, which is at around, let's see, 0.301589.2. If we can manage to close above this line, we are going to go towards, for sure, 0.301814. However, if you see Luna Classic struggling right here, could be the case that we are having a little bit of a more correction. As you can see, the fact that we were holding back then the 4-hour frame support line, and the fact that we didn't close below this line right here, we hold this line, the support level that we talked about yesterday, the fact that we didn't close below, it was pretty good for Luna Classic, and it meant that we should be going even higher, and that's what we did right here. Now for Luna Classic, the next target should be the 0.30114, and now comes the real question. What is the most probable scenario? To go all the way up here, maybe even higher to the 0.3020, for example, or so, or just to hold this line right now and fail? Personally, for me, right now, as I'm seeing things, cryptocurrency market will become bearish. Okay, so Bitcoin, Ethereum will drop down. The crypto market will become bearish, and therefore maybe Luna Classic will get affected from it. That's the case right now, and maybe we are going to go a little bit further down right now, having these bearish RSI divergences. But I'm leaving some chances into going the 0.3018 first before we crumble down, and I'm leaving some good chances in it, especially if in the 4-hour frame or in the daily frame, it does not matter really, we close above the 0.301589.2. If we do that, then we go all the way up to the 0.3018. Okay, this will be the next price target right there, but for the time being, after achieving the targets that we mentioned in the previous video, you can see that we had indeed a bullish pennant right here, broke above, found the support level at the top trend line, and this is where we should be breaking above and we should be going higher. And you can see that Luna Classic had the 0.301589.2 going back after to the 0.30s 18082. So right here we just need to do this. We need to close above this line right there, else we are going to go down. In the 4-hour, in the 1 hour frame, let's go to the lower time frames to see more of a short term. In the 1 hour frame, we are forming is indeed hugely bearish or say divergences. These might lead to further correction, although the good part is right now, and this is what I want you to be careful about, the good part is that we are just holding the 20-day MA. Look at that, LUNC is not falling down from the 20-day MA. Once you see Luna Classic falling down even from the 50-day exponential moving average, you can add them to your charts, then we are going down for sure for the time being. The good part is that we are holding the 20-day MA. The bad part is that we are forming huge bearish or say divergences in the 4-hour frame, in the 1 hour frame, and of course in the daily frame we have a very high risk. Also in the weekly frame, if we go back, then we have approached a very huge resistance level, and that is the case of the previous one right here. Although it has more chances into breaking above, right now I have to tell you that we need to be extremely careful in this area that we are in right now. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, patreon/mindyourcrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.